Hey everybody, it's Ryan again. We're about halfway through our transatlantic voyage from San Juan, Puerto Rico, over to Barcelona, Spain. But I wanted to take a quick minute and show you our cabin that we've been enjoying this entire time. Kind of see all the details that are in this RockStar Sweet Aft Suite. It's 12009A is the actual cabin number. But here, let's flip the camera around and I'll check it out. Got the you walk in and it's the bed kind of overlooks the balcony there. Beautiful wife's out there already, just kind of enjoying the sea day. You come around, we got our bar area and storage. You see we're about halfway through the voyage, like I said. But they bring your water and refresh it every day, bring your ice. We had a couple of things swapped out in the bar. They generally give you about one opportunity to do that and swap it out for the things you like. You can kind of see hidden over there in the corner is the record player. We don't use it a whole lot, so it kind of becomes a storage area. We'll kind of peek back there because I know some people ask about outlets and stuff like that. You got kind of the US and European outlets back there. There's a couple to use, as well as USB ports. Steamer sitting there. We also ask for that. Generally they'll able to provide one and let you keep it for a couple days, or keep it for a short time anyway. Steam what you need to, and then they take it back for others to use. We also really like this Downy wrinkle release spray hiding in the corner there. Works out really well. Travel with it, gets the wrinkles out of clothes. You see storage down here on the bottom. We've got the fridge compartment, so a small fridge there, and several drawers here. We're not even using them this time, so nothing in there. Storage for us, but they are there if you need them. Over here is the vanity. Have some notes from Virgin on what's going on. This one in particular, they're talking about charging VAT as we get into Spanish waters, but also get into the bathroom here. Nice long countertop, plenty of storage there. Also in the RockStar Suite, they've got a couple of hangers here. Generally that's where your robes are going to be hanging for those, as well as storage underneath. You can see there's some slippers there if you want to use those. Extra towels, toiletries, stuff like that. Sink, and then the big shower. Big walk-in shower with a bench, and the Sweet Aft Suite's actually got a window out to the balcony. That can be covered if you ask Sailor Services or your cabin host. They can actually get the covers to put over that, because you can see in through there. So if you're on a port day and want to take a shower, I'm concerned about that, they can always cover that for you while you're taking your rainfall shower. Coming back out to the, we had a little bit of a birthday party, so I had some balloons left over, somebody dropped off. But just in this suite, we got a chair. Usually it winds up with stuff all over it, laundry or backpack or something like that. TV, as well as in the kind of view of the bed as in the nightstand areas. I don't believe all the ships have the extra storage down on the side like that. Some are just a table, so it's nice on Resilient Lady having the extra drawers. We are using those for some clothing and stuff like that. Also got plenty of outlets over here, so a couple of USBs. Got the storage outlets over here, plenty of outlets, a couple of USBs, as well as the tablet. Actually use the tablet for controlling a lot of the things in the room. It looks like ours is not actually connected right now. Here it comes, but use that to do stuff on the TV, as well as you can control some of the lighting. There we go. Got the tablet, and it will actually control a lot of things in the room. Across the top here, got all lights, as well as close the curtains. You can turn the TV on. swipe through the different movies and stuff like that, TV shows that they've got. As well as some other room controls. Individual lights, you can set the thermostat, as well as I think they've got, there it is, the different moods. So if you wanted to change the lighting for a different mood, like in this case I can say switch over to the it's got a photo shoot, or the get it on is enabled. It changes the lights to more of a pink hue, and dims the other lights in the room, makes it more romantic, we'll say. But last thing here in the room is this huge balcony, our Sweet Aft Suite. Up here on the 12th floor. Great views, it's great for lounging. Table over here. A couple lounge chairs. Coffee table, couch. And of course the iconic hammock. Spent several days there just taking a nap or hanging out. So alright guys, that's the Sweet Aft Suite. It's pretty loud out there on the balcony today. It's cruising along. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't ever forget the sunscreen.